Math Blast 4, Understanding Division. Here I need to fill in the blanks using the smiley face array here. I notice that there are 4 total smiley faces, so those 4 faces divides into 2 rows here. My rows are my equal groups, so we'll say 4 divides into 2 equal groups of 2 in each of those groups. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Looking at the array of cubes, I can see there are 10 total cubes that divides into 2 equal groups. Again, the rows are my groups of 5 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a group. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Distributive property. Show an array for 6 times 2 equals 12 using the distributive property. Here, I see that 6 times 2 means 6 groups of 2. So each of these rows will be a group. There are 6 rows there, and there will be 2 x's in each row. There is the array for 6 times 2 equals 12. Notice that we must use the distributive property here to show our array, though. So I'm going to break my array into 2 smaller arrays. I'm just going to put it right in half here. So I have a smaller array here and a smaller array here. And I'm going to write those as separate expressions. This is an array of 3 times 2, and this is an array of 3 times 2. Now, I know that 3 times 2 plus another 3 times 2 is the same thing as 6 groups of 2, which is equal to 12. Division as an unknown factor. Determine which number correctly answers both equations. 21 divided by 7 equals something. Well, 21 is my total items, and I can divide that into 7 groups or 7 in each group. I'm going to take 21 total items and divide it into 7 items per group. So 7 in a group. There's 7. Here's another group of 7. Using my skip counting strategy, I'm going to figure out where I'm at. 7, 14. I have another group of 7. And that would be 21. So 7, 14, 21. 3 groups of 7. So I can say 21 divided by 7 equals 3. And 3 times 7 equals 21. Notice my picture matches my equation here. 3 groups of 7 equals 21 total. Fractions of a region. The picture below is the whole. What fraction of the whole is shaded? Notice this is the whole. The fraction shaded makes me look at how many pieces are shaded here. There's 6 shaded pieces or parts out of 10 total pieces or parts here. So 6/10 of the whole is shaded. Time. Write the time shown on the clock. We write time using hours and minutes. To determine my hour, I'll look at the shorthand. To determine my minutes, I'll look at the longhand. So looking at the shorthand, I see that it has passed the 3 but has not quite made it to the 4. So it is going to be 3 for the hour. The hour hand needs to get completely to the number in order for it to be on that hour. For minutes, I can count each dot around the clock, and there will be 60 dots, which makes a new hour. But I don't want to count every single dot once I've learned that each number on the clock represents 5 minutes. So I'll use my skip counting technique. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It is 3:30, or 30 minutes past 3 o'clock.